Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Francis Barr.
Welcome to MFG 141 in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Okay, as we're winding down, we thought we'd put in the course ending procedures so that everybody knows where the exit point is. Students are welcome to attend in person on Saturdays, Skokie campus, room P130 from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Please email us and let us know if you plan on attending in person so that we can be prepared. Make sure that you cover all COVID protocols, which basically means you need to wear a face mask. Here's the agenda. Today is April 16th. We're going to go through CNC programming lesson 7. We're also going to look at the NIMS practice exam. The NIMS exam will be available for students to take on the last day, which is May 7th. If we look at what we're going to do next week, this week we're going to cover lesson 7 and Immerse to Learn. They have a NIMS practice exam. Next week we'll review for the exams and we'll look at lesson 8. And then on the 30th will be our final exam. Students will take a hands-on programming test and they will also take a multiple choice test. The last day to turn in assignments is on May 7th. And if you completed the NIMS CAR and the NIMS Certificate of Achievement report basically has students go through and power on the machine and set up the offsets, then you will be qualified to take the NIMS exam. And you can take that on the 7th or you can arrange a time afterwards to do that. The NIMS exam is not required, but it's recommended. It's a good certificate to have. And so if you're looking at being able to go into an employer with some type of industry standard, the NIMS test would work for you. And what you would need to do to qualify for that is come into the lab and to have the instructor check you off. The site would be Oakton College. You'd put your name. You don't necessarily have to have your job title in here, but essentially we would go through and see if you understand how to safely demonstrate things like where shop safety equipment is, where the fire extinguishers are, eye wash stations. And then as we go into more of the operator things, being able to power up the machine, power down the machine, load tools and fixturing. All those things are in the CAM instructor curriculum. So if we go into CAM instructor and we look at our courses under CNC programming, we have CNC online programming, and then we also have set up and operate. And in the set up and operate, we go through everything like how to start up the machine, how to assemble the tool, materials, and work holding. Here we are powering up the machine. And these are excellent videos. They're short. They use the same machines that we do. And that's available to students who come into the lab if they want to do the actual hands-on. Okay, back to the main splash page. So if you need any extra help or if you're having any difficulty, we understand there's a lot going on out there, and you can email us or instant message us. If you're late or if you need some more time for the assignment, that's understandable, but you do need to notify us. All right, with that, I'm going to end this recording and then we're going to start another recording for the lesson 7.